Learn English easily. تعلم الإنجليزية بسهولة.
Hi everyone, I'm Jill and I'm from Australia. And my question today is, what did you do over the weekend? So last weekend, I actually had a very special weekend. I took my mum on a trip to Jeju Island. We took a boat down to Jeju Island, and we spent the whole weekend going on lots of big walks and eating lots of really good seafood. We ate lots of abalone and lots of sashimi, which was super fresh and delicious. And we went on lots of hikes. They have a beautiful mountain in the center of the island, and all around it is big forest. And so we hiked through the forest, and we saw lots of beautiful colors that are happening right now because it is autumn in Korea. We also went to a massage shop where we were able to sleep a little and have massages. And we drank lots and lots of good coffee, which was surprising because I wasn't expecting that. We had really good weather, which was very lucky because it can be a little bit cold. But yeah, I had a really lovely weekend. And what about you? What did you do over the weekend?